Welcome to ISSCA Dominican Republic 2026. This short guide will walk you through everything you need to know before, during, and after the event. Over the next 4 days, you'll combine high-level medical education with a fully immersive, all-inclusive experience designed for learning, connection, and growth. When booking your flight, make sure you select Punta Cana International Airport, PUJ. Once you arrive, you'll need to arrange your own transportation to the hotel. We strongly recommend pre-booking a hotel or private transfer for a smooth arrival, especially if your flight lands at night. At the Grand Bávaro Princess, go directly to the lobby and look for the ISSCA registration area. Our team will verify your registration and guide you through the check-in process. You'll receive the official ISSCA event t-shirt to wear during the conference with your own Bermuda shorts or skirt and comfortable Birkenstock-style sandals. The idea is for you to feel relaxed while you absorb the content. Before traveling, make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months. Bring your ISSCA confirmation, digital or printed, and pack for a tropical climate. All sessions are translated in real time using your smartphone. Simply scan the QR code at your table, connect your headphones, and select your language. We recommend bringing wired headphones to ensure the best experience. On day 1, arrive, check in, and settle into the resort. In the evening, join the welcome dinner, a relaxed setting to meet other attendees and begin building connections. Friday is the main day, the keynote conference in the hotel's main ballroom. You'll experience a structured agenda featuring international speakers, clinical protocols, and real-world applications you can implement in your practice. Check-in starts at 8 a.m. Take your assigned seat and stay through the final Q&A session for maximum value. At your seat, you'll receive all official ISSCA materials, including your badge and conference kit. We close our conference with the white party under the Caribbean sky. The dress code is total white, a night to dress head to toe in white. Raise a glass with your colleagues and celebrate everything we built together. A night to celebrate everything we've learned and everything that's just beginning. On Saturday, we launched 2 simultaneous certifications, starting at 9 a.m. Advanced Peptide certification, featuring the most up-to-date protocols available today. World-class instructors, certifiable training, and an official ISSCA certification. Starting at 10 a.m., Advanced Regenerative Medicine, with hands-on practice inside the clinical dome set up within the hotel. For the certification, please wear your ISSCA scrub given at the conference day. We close ISSCA 122 at 8 p.m. at Cappuccino Cafe, an intimate setting curated for a refined Dominican experience. Guests will enjoy a guided tasting of premium cigars and local rum, complemented by a basic open bar. A private gathering designed for connection, conversation, and a deeper appreciation of the culture that surrounds us. On your final day, checkout is at 11 a.m. Plan your airport transfer in advance and arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before your flight. Throughout your stay, everything at the resort is included, from meals and drinks to activities, so you can focus entirely on the experience. If you follow this guide, you'll be fully prepared to make the most of your ISSCA experience. We'll see you in Punta Cana.